Hello friends, today we are going to see the MCQ of environmental engineering in the topic of collection of sewage. So the first question, manhole along with the mains from the source to a city are provided at 500 meter intervals in option A steel pipes, option B RCC pipes, option C Hume steel pipes, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, for determining the velocity of flow of underground water, the most commonly used non-empirical formula is option A Darcy's formula, option B Schlichter's formula, option C Hazen formula, option D Lacy's formula. So the correct answer is option A Darcy's formula. So next question, average annual rainfall at any station is the average of annual rainfall over the period of option A 7 years, option B 14 years, option C 21 years, option D 35 years. So the correct answer is option D 35 years. So next question, the time of concentration is option A the time taken for precipitation, option B duration of rainfall, option C time taken for all the runoff to reach the drain, option D time taken for the stormwater to travel from the most remote point to the drain. So the correct answer is option D time taken for the stormwater to travel from the most remote point to the drain. So next question, the minimum recommended diameter of sewers is option A 5 cm, option B 10 cm, option C 15 cm, option D 20 cm. So the correct answer is option C 15 cm. So next question, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, manholes are provided in the sewer pipes at the suitable intervals. Option B, catch basins are generally provided in sewers for carrying the drainage discharge. Option C, inlets are generally provided in all sewers. Option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, inlets are generally provided in all sewers. So next question, clogging of sewers is caused due to option A silting, option B low discharge, option C greasy and oily matters, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the Chassis constant C in the formula V is equal to C root of Rs depends upon option A size of the sewer, option B shape of the sewer, option C roughness of sewer surface, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, in areas where light rains are uniformly distributed throughout the year, the type of sewage system is to be adopted is option A separate system, option B combined system, option C partially combined system, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option B combined system. So next question, the value of Chassis constant C equal to 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K divided by root R. Option A Chassis formula, option B Basins formula, option C Cutter's formula, option D Manning's formula. So the correct answer is option B Basins formula. So next question, the formula which accepts the value of rugosity coefficient n equal to 0.012 to be used in Manning's formula is given by option A Basin, option C Crimp and Birch, option C Hazen-Williams formula, option D Cutter's formula. So the correct answer is option B Crimp and Birch. So next question, for laying of sewer line in trench of 2 meter width, an offset line is marked on the ground parallel to the given center line at the distance of option A 100 cm, option B 120 cm, option C 140 cm, option D 160 cm. So the correct answer is option D 160 cm. So next question, the formula V is equal to 1 by n r power 2 by 3 into root s used for determining the flow velocities in sewers is known as option A Chassis formula, option B Basin's formula, option C Cutter's formula, option D Manning's formula. So the correct answer is option D Manning's formula. So next question, the most efficient cross section of the sewer in the separate sewage system is option A parabolic, option B circular, option C rectangular, option C new egged. So the correct answer is option B circular. So next question, pick up the incorrect statement from the following or allowing workers to enter the sewers. Option A, the particular manhole and one manhole on upstream and one manhole on downstream should remain open for 30 minutes. Option B, proper test for the presence of poisonous gases must be carried out. Option C, the men entering the manhole should be advised to smoke in the sewer. Option D, warning signals should be erected. So the correct answer is option C, the man entering the manhole should be advised to smoke in the sewer. So next question, in a grid chamber of sewage treatment, option A, flow velocity 0.15 meter to 0.3 meter per second is kept. Option B, depth of 0.9 meter to 1.2 meter is kept. Option C, 1 minute of detention period is kept. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, the pressure exerted by option A, the sewage when running full from the inside is called the internal pressure. Option B, the internal pressure if any causes tensile stress in the pipe material. Option C, pressure sewers are designed to be safe in the tension. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, a cylinder ejector having the height of 2 meter fills after every 10 minutes with the peak sewage discharge of 0.0157 cubic seconds. So the diameter of ejector chamber is option A 2.3 meter, option B 2.4 meter, option C 2.45 meter, option D 2.5 meter. So the correct answer is option C 2.45 meter. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, maximum daily flow equal to 2 times the average daily flow. Option B, maximum daily flow equal to 2 by 3 into average daily flow. Option C, sewers are designed from the minimum permissible velocity at minimum flow. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. So option A, the mixture of water and waste product is called sewage. Option B, the treated sewage effluents are generally used for irrigating the crops. Option C, the process of collecting, treating and disposing of the sewage is called sewerage. Option D, the old conveyance system was definitely better than the water carried sewage system. So the correct answer is the old convergency system was definitely better than the water carried sewage system. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, small sewers are cleaned by flushing. Option B, medium sewers are cleaned by cane rodding. Option C, medium sewers may be cleaned by pills. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. So next question, cement concrete sewers are only suitable if non-scoring velocity is between option A 2.5 to 3 meter per second, option B 3 to 4 meter per second, option C 3.5 to 4.5 meter per second, option D 4.5 to 5.5 meter per second. So the correct answer is option A 2.5 to 3 meter per second. So next question, the grid chambers of sewage treatment plants are generally cleaned after option A 2 days, option B 5 days, option C 7 days, option D 14 days. So the correct answer is option D 14 days. So next question, the spacing of bores for perforation in core screens used for the treatment of sewage is called option A 20 mm, option B 30 mm, option C 40 mm, option D 50 mm. So the correct answer is option D 50 mm. So next question, in very first stage of decomposition of the organic matter in sewage is option A ammonia is formed, option B carbon dioxide is formed, option C nitrates are formed, option D nitrates are formed. So the correct answer is option A ammonia is formed. So next question, if the discharge of sewer running half is 6281 PS, I equal to 0.001 and N equal to 0.010, so the diameter of sewer is option A 1.39 meter, option B 1.49 meter, option C 1.59 meter, option D 1.69 meter. So the correct answer is option D 1.69 meter. So next question, for efficient working of sewer, it must be ensured that option A minimum velocity of 0.45 meter per second is maintained at the minimum flow. Option B, a maximum velocity of 0.90 meter per second is maintained at the maximum flow. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. So next question, a manhole is generally provided in each option A bend, option B change of gradient, option C change of diameter, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, rate of digestion of sludge is more at the higher temperature. Option B, thermophilic organisms digest in the sludge if the temperature ranges between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Option C, 90% of digestion takes place in 30 days at the 29 degrees Celsius, the optimum isobolic temperature. Option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. Again, we will see in next video. Thank you.